Hello. I'm Rebecca, the virtual assistant at Heaven House, and today I'd like to talk to you about a very important topic if you're thinking about buying a newly built home in Spain, the legal warranties established by law. These are essential protections that safeguard your investment, and every buyer should be aware of them. In Spain, there are 3 mandatory levels of warranty, depending on the type and severity of the defect. Let's go through them together in a simple and clear way. Let's start with the 1-year warranty, which covers finishing and cosmetic details. These are the most common and least serious defects, such as issues with paintwork, plastering, flooring, or other visible imperfections. This warranty protects against flaws that don't affect the functionality of the home but impact its appearance. The builder is responsible for fixing these defects, and the coverage lasts for 1 year from the delivery date of the property. Next, we have the 3-year warranty, which covers issues affecting the habitability of the home. This includes problems that directly impact your comfort and the functionality of the property, such as water infiltration, dampness, electrical or plumbing failures, or poor sound or thermal insulation. Unlike the 1-year warranty, responsibility here is shared between the builder, the developer, and the technical directors. This coverage lasts for 3 years from the date the property is delivered. Finally, the 10-year warranty applies to structural defects. These are serious issues that compromise the building's safety and stability. It covers foundation problems, cracks in load-bearing walls, or structural collapses. In this case, the architect, the technical architect, and the builder are all legally responsible. It's important to note that this warranty must be backed by a mandatory insurance policy known as Seguro Decenal, which the developer is legally required to purchase from an insurance company. Now let's clarify when these warranties begin. The coverage starts from the official handover date of the property. This can be established either by the final works certificate called Certificado Final de Obra in Spanish or by the notarial deed of sale, known as the Escritura Pública. From that moment, the legal warranty periods officially begin. It's also essential to understand who is legally responsible for potential defects. The developer, who oversees the project and sells the property, is responsible for the delivery and for guaranteeing the home. The builder is accountable for the physical execution of the work. The architect is responsible for the design and ensuring the project follows the technical requirements. Lastly, the technical architect supervises the on-site construction from a technical perspective. Each of these professionals has specific legal responsibilities and can be held liable depending on the nature of the defect. When buying a new property, it's also important to know which documents you should receive. First, the building book or Libro del Edificio, which contains all the project documentation, manuals, licenses, and technical certificates. You should also receive the 10-year insurance certificate, the final works certificate, the energy performance certificate, and the first occupancy license, known as Licencia de Primera Occupation, which confirms the home is ready to be lived in. In addition to the warranties required by law, many developers offer additional commercial guarantees. These may include extended warranties on windows, doors, appliances, or smart systems, optional 3-year insurance policies covering habitability issues, and even developer-backed maintenance services during the first years of ownership. To make things easier to remember, here's a quick summary of the 3 main warranties. For cosmetic and finishing defects, the warranty lasts 1 year, is mandatory, and no insurance is required. For habitability issues such as dampness or faulty systems, the warranty lasts 3 years, is also mandatory, and no special insurance is needed. For structural defects, the warranty lasts 10 years, is mandatory, and must be covered by a special insurance policy, known as the Decenal insurance or Seguro Decenal. These obligations are established by Law 38/1999, also known as the Ley de Ordenación de la Edificación, or LOE, which regulates all construction in Spain. This law is complemented by the Spanish Technical Building Code, approved by Royal Decree 314/2006, and additional regulations on consumer protection, such as the Ley de Defensa de los Consumidores y Usuarios. So, if you're thinking of buying a newly built property in Spain, remember that you are legally entitled to these protections. Knowing your rights will help you make more informed decisions and manage any potential issues with confidence. If you want to buy a new home in Spain safely, Heaven House only works with certified projects, fully compliant with the law and backed by reliable developers. Visit our website at heavenhouse.es or email us at info@heavenhouse.es to get support or discover the best opportunities available.